Hey, welcome. Tell us your name and your age and how you ended up getting your treatment.
So my name's John Knowles. I'm 53 years old, and for the past 23 years, I've been in pain because of playing golf. I hurt myself playing golf. And I heard about your treatment through a friend of mine who's actually a nurse, and he got a brochure in the mail and said I ought to call in for my back pain. So I called in and came to one of your seminars.
Okay, great. And before you came and got the treatment, tell us what your life was like. Like you weren't able to golf. You were in a tournament. You had to quit. You said. Like, tell us about that.
Yeah, it was about a year ago. Well, I went through about 10 years ago. I went to a chiropractor, and he actually helped me with my #1 cervical, put that in place, and that helped relieve, to loosen my back. So I was able to play golf after that for, it was about 10 years. And then last year, I was playing and something was going on, and I felt it coming on. And I was playing in a tournament and I had to actually withdraw from the tournament because I just could not bear the pain anymore. It was just too much to bear. So that was last year.
And then so you came in, you got a treatment. How long did it take you to start feeling better, and how do you feel now? What have you been able to do?
So I've actually felt that when I got the treatment on July 2nd, July 3rd, I rolled out of bed and said, what's going on? Because I had very minimal pain. I was able to roll out of bed much better than sit up on the side of the bed and kind of get ready and grab the wall and, you know, move that way. But I was actually able to roll. So immediately after the treatments, I felt it. I was very, very surprised.
And then tell us now how much you've been golfing 3 days this past weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
Yeah, so 2.5 months into the treatment now. I actually played in a tournament this past weekend, and 3 days in a row. And of course, I'm a little sore. My body was shocked, like, what are you doing to me? But I was able to complete the tournament, finished 8th in the tournament, and I was ecstatic. So I can't wait to play in another tournament now.